A lot of runners will typically have very tight calves or Achilles tendons. So in order to address this and do some deeper work to loosen this up, I'm going to show you how to use your forearm to do a deep stroke. In order to get yourself down to the leg, it's not about bending forward, but about maintaining that upright posture and to extend the legs out further while keeping your back flat. The other thing to be mindful of is to maintain a softness in the wrist and the arm as a whole. You're using your forearm as the applicator, and your speed is at a speed in which the muscle is not binding up or pushing you out or toughening up to be able to protect itself. So work slower, especially if it's tight. It'll be more likely a little bit more painful. So work slower.